wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best crab pots. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, this option from KUFA Sports Rubber uses wrapped steel rings and polyethylene netting to keep your catch locked up tight. It comes out of the box rigged and ready, so it's great for beginners, but some users have complained that the holes can allow keepers to escape. It's best for long soaks, and its orange line offers good visibility. However, a heavier rope might be preferable. At number 9, specially designed to be legal to use in Alaska, these promar collapsible drop down to less than 2 inches, so they're perfect if space is at a premium. They have a tendency to come open in rougher waters though, so you may have to tie them down somehow. They're very effective at catching Dungeness and come with pre-optimized mesh rams, but the doors can get caught in the netting. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Protoco slip ring is perfect if you're tired of traditional traps, as it pairs the effectiveness of an open ring with the ruggedness of a closed pot. The tarred mesh won't rot, so it'll last a long time, but unfortunately the bait box is a little on the small side. A plastic coating protects the steel frame, and the net folds perfectly in half. However, the basket is vulnerable to bending. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for crab pots, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, if you're trying to catch Dungeness, then the large and rugged Promar Heavy Duty is a smart choice. It has a built-in internal bait box that will lure crabs while keeping the meat safe from other predators, plus a plastic coating that will prevent rusting. It's equipped with a hinged tending door and 3 separate tunnel entrances, but beware of sharp edges. Moving up our list to number 6. Boat owners with limited space will greatly appreciate the small size and collapsible design of the Danielson conical. Crabs can enter from any direction, increasing your odds of a big haul. That also makes it easier for pesky seals to get inside it. It's great for kayak fishermen and works well off piers. However, it's not good for larger species. Halfway up our list at number 5. Maryland blue lovers should consider picking up a few of these Rob Smith traps, which feature a design specifically suited to catching that variety. They don't skimp on quality either, boasting rust-resistant coatings, clean welds, and no sharp edges to worry about. They keep otters out and are good for commercial operations, but they don't collapse. At number 4, while it may put a strain on your back, the extra heavy weight of the Promar stainless steel makes it especially ideal for fishing in areas with strong currents. It's tough enough to handle long soaks, so if you can't get to your pot right away, this is a good choice. It works well in the Pacific Northwest, and its rubber-wrapped rebar is very durable. However, it won't catch smaller species. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. With $20 and a bit of work, the KUFA Sports Casting will help even unskilled fishermen catch a delicious crab dinner. It may not offer as much security as a closed cage model, but it can be thrown by hand or attached to a fishing pole and used from the dock, beach or boat. It comes with 100 feet of rope and weighs just 1 pound. It's very light and easy to use. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for crab pots, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Danielson Pacific FTC is made of collapsible vinyl-coated steel wire, so it's easy to transport while still being rugged enough to withstand the elements. It's got 4 entrance doors along with 2 escape rings, ensuring you'll get only the biggest species. It features a rot-away cord in case the pot is lost, and is easy to assemble. It's good value for the price. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Willapa Marine Kit contains everything you need to get crabbing, such as a trap, 100 feet of rope, a buoy, and a line weight. At 11 pounds, you don't have to worry about it getting swept away by currents, yet it's still easy to pull up at the end of a long day on the water. It's a good price for a full set, and is simple enough for beginners. It's great for catching red rocks. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for crab pots, or simply click beneath this video.